In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable email link within your WordPress dashboard. We'll guide you through this process step by step, so you can make your contact information easily accessible on your website. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, this is a handy feature to have, and it's quite simple to implement. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, a hub for managing all facets of your site. Once you're logged in, locate the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Pages and another called Posts. Depending on where you want to place your clickable email link, you'll go to Pages and select All Pages or to Posts and choose All Posts. Once you've navigated to either All Pages or All Posts, skim through the list until you find the page or post you want to add an email link to. Click on Edit, and this will bring you to the WordPress editor for that particular piece of content. When you're in the editing mode, decide where you'd like to display the email link. Think about visibility and user convenience. You might want it in your contacts section or perhaps at the end of a blog post to encourage readers to get in touch with you. Now type out the text that will become your email link. A straightforward option is something like, "Email me support@example.com." It's clear, direct, and serves the purpose well. With your text in place, highlight it using your cursor. This tells WordPress that this is the text you wish to convert into a link. Direct your attention to the toolbar that pops up. Here, you'll notice an icon that looks like a chain link or a paperclip. This is the link tool, and clicking it will enable you to set up your email link. In the window that appears, enter your email this way: mail2@support.example.com. The mail to part is crucial because it tells browsers and email clients that the link should open the email application with this address already filled in. Review everything to make sure it looks right. And there you have it. You've successfully created a clickable email link within your WordPress content. This small adjustment can make a huge difference, providing a seamless way for visitors to contact you directly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that it makes managing your WordPress site just a little bit easier. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.